Hello, everyone, and welcome. Once again, thank you for being here. I am Nkiru Oh. I want you to know that I do not take your support for granted. God bless you all. Today's menu is another extraordinary recipe, Spanish rice. Without wasting time, join me in the kitchen. Let's cook. Heat up 4 tablespoons olive oil. Saute 1 onion until translucent. About 3 minutes. 8 cloves of garlic, chopped. Cook until fragrant and turn frequently so it doesn't get burnt. This takes about 2 minutes. 3 cups pre-washed rice, long grain. Toast until lightly golden. It takes about 6 minutes. This is what the rice looks like after toasting. 4 cups chicken broth. 1 can 28-ounce crushed tomatoes. 1 teaspoon cayenne pepper. 1 teaspoon cumin. 1 teaspoon dried oregano. 1 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. 3 packs Szechuan seasoning. Mix to combine very well. Check for salt and adjust as needed. I added 1 teaspoon kosher salt. Cover it and bring it to a boil. Isn't this beautiful? I can't wait for you to try this recipe. Reduce the heat to low and allow the rice to simmer until it absorbs all the liquid. Now go ahead and cover it again and allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. You want all the ingredients to meld together. Now go ahead and use a fork to fluff the rice and the super deliciousness is ready. You can serve it with protein and vegetable of choice. I served mine with chicken and vegetables. Thanks for watching. Until next video, cheers and stay blessed. Bye-bye.